On Wednesday, the 19th of June 2019, Serif officially launched Affinity Publisher and also revealed a brand new technology that they call Studio Link. In this video, I'll give you a quick demo of that innovative new feature. I'm Andy Clayton and I make videos about lots of different subjects, not just technology. So if you want to see more, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. When Adobe decided to start renting their software, I wasn't the only one that started looking for alternatives. Although there are plenty of non-rental graphic programs out there, I soon found Affinity by Serif. This met my needs. I'm getting nothing from Serif to promote their products. What you see in here today is purely my own thoughts after buying the applications with my own hard-earned cash. So, what is Studio Link? If you buy Affinity Publisher and also own either Affinity Designer or Affinity Photo, then you'll be able to take advantage of it. I'm going to show you how it works with Affinity Photo. Here's a document open in Affinity Publisher. As you can see, it has text layers and a couple of images. Now, normally, if you want to edit a photo that's contained in a desktop publishing app, you initially open it in your separate graphic software, such as Photoshop, for example, and then edit and save it, and then relink the image in your DTP program. It's a process that we've all been using for years. It's normal. However, if you have licenses for some of the Affinity programs, then if you're in Publisher, you can press the Affinity Photo logo to make something magical happen. You're still viewing the same Publisher file, but now you have the full controls of Affinity Photo at your disposal. This isn't some kind of cut down subset, this is the complete software, as if you'd opened the file in the main application. Oh, by the way, you can do that too, as the Affinity file format can be shared between the different applications and even across platforms such as Mac, Windows and even the iPad. So now I can make some changes to one of the photos. How about I apply some blur or perhaps make the photo black and white? Simple examples, yes, but you get the idea. To get the Publisher controls back, simply click the Publisher icon. It's excellent, such a clever idea. That was a very quick look at Serif's brand new Studio Link feature in their Affinity software. What do you think of it? Are there better options out there? Perhaps you still prefer Adobe's suite of apps. Post your comments below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to the channel, as that's what makes me want to make more content. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Andy Clayton. I'll catch you next time.